Hi, today we are here to discuss regarding Schengen visa rejection. Let's talk about it. Hi, Ansar.
Hi, Arishi.
So, I have few questions regarding Schengen visa rejection. We often hear from clients that their Schengen visa application are rejected. Could you tell us the common reasons for this rejection?
See, maybe the common reason for the Schengen visa rejections are the first of all is the improper application submission can be the reason. Also, the lack of financial proof or stability, and also the travel itinerary. If you are submitting an improper travel itinerary or an incomplete travel itinerary, can become the your Schengen visa rejection reasons.
Moving to next, if someone faces a rejection, what are the steps they can address the reasons and reapply successfully?
See, after rejection, what one can do, first of all, review the refusal letter which is received by a visa embassy, okay, to understand the reason of rejections. And as per the review, modify profile in a proper manner to avoid the rejection chances.
So, is it necessary to review previous application before going further?
Yes, because to understand the reason of rejections, we have to review the previous application.
Then, how much appropriate fund we need to show?
See, if you're talking about the funds, so funds almost depend that how much time you're planning to travel into that country. Okay, so we do advise the clients on case-to-case basis that what are their travel plans in that country while they're traveling. So we can say that what is the duration of your traveling in that country. So as per that, our expert team suggests the clients that how much funds, sufficient funds they need to show.
How does expert guidance, like services Uni offers, improve the chances of successful Schengen visa application?
So after enrolling with us, our expert team evaluate the profile on case-to-case basis, because understanding the reason of rejection can help us and the applicant to improve their file and also increase the chances of approval.
So, what are the approval ratio in Schengen visa as per the current scenario?
See, as per current scenario, the approval ratio of the Schengen visa is more than 80%, but only if you apply your application in a proper.
Now you know how to avoid Schengen visa rejection and handle them if they happen. Want to know about USA visa rejection? Subscribe to our channel and stay updated.